Hey there everybody, it's Sean from All Dreams Travel. Just checked into room 4161, Disney's Pop Century in Disney World in Orlando, Florida. This is room 4161. It's the first floor, building 4. It's what we call this, or it's in the 60s section. We did get a refurbed room, it looks like, and it is nice, I tell you. So starting off, we walk to the left here. Is your little buffet deal with the coffee maker right there. You got a little coffee maker, 2-pod refrigerator with a glass door down there. You got a luggage rack right there, or valet, what those call those. Thermostat right there on the wall. One main light. This goes down into a bed, and we'll demonstrate that in a few here. On your right here, you got a little cubby with some plugs. Put a computer or a charging points or nightstands, actually, because this comes down to a bed. Right there, you've got a dresser, and then the TV, the big TV on the wall, of course, with the Disney stuff going on. Down here, let's open up some cupboards here. Right here, you've got the safe. Extra pillow, some storage, Bible, of course. How do the drawers look? Nice and roomy drawers. There's 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. Then you got on the bed, it looks like a queen, or it's a queen size bed there. But you have room underneath, so they're taking kudos from the cruise line, and you can put luggage under the bed luggage on the bed if you had to. That might come in handy. On this side is a phone and the light switches. Let's turn some lights on. And then 2 more plugs and 2 more chargers right there. And we got some Mickeys on the wall there next to the light. Huh, I wonder why that light didn't turn on. Oh, that turned on the one above there, so it gives you pretty much a lot of light here. We got this one on the left side of the bed. That light turns on. Got 2 more plugs and 2 more charging ports. Another little nightstand cubby. And then going to the bathroom, we got this little barn door here. Let's open the barn door, see how. Woo, oh, there it goes. It saves from slamming. It's quiet. Got the toilet right there on the right. Another door. The weird one, it opens up with that way, and then there's a full mirror. Hey everybody. And you got the shower. Let's open up that shower. Of course, you got all the reusable shampoos and soap and lotion, or not, and conditioner. There's your shower head, rain down, and a handheld. And the drain down there, no bathtub, that's okay. So the toilet, and then the sink is over here. Got some soap there. I don't see any lotion for Terry, oh boy. Towels there. Towels there. We don't have a lot of towels. We got 3 towels so far, or 4 towels. Sink. Got another little space here with the hair dryer and the iron. Ironing board goes here. Space up here if you need it. And then we got some cubbies down there. It's my backpack. And then coming over here, we got the closet or the hangers, a suitcase, and some places for shoes or more shorts, whatever you want to do. So that's the room tour here. Let's see if I can get this set up for the bed. Hang on. Bed demonstration coming up. All right, everybody. I'm going to demonstrate how to undo the bed real quick, and then how to lift it up. There we go. So you take the chairs out first and move these along over here, maybe, huh? you can take the chairs out. Put this right here for now. And then they said for either side, you can just pull down the bed. And look in there. Pluto. Look at that. That's how the bed goes down. There's old Pluto and everything. So to lift it back up, all you gotta do is lift it back up. Right on. I need one of those in our house somewhere. All right, everybody. That is the bed. Let's see if we can get you a little quick tour or the view of outside, and let's conclude this room tour. So right here, 4161. It's on the end of the 60s building. If you're coming out of the deal, it's on the right. In the 60 sections, the pool is just to your left over there, but it's right across from the big yo-yo staircase. So there's a staircase that winds in there. Anyway, that's it for the room tour. Oh yeah, you can see the pool a little bit. We got water view, sorta. Everybody, room 4161. Real quick overview. There you go. Pop Century refurbished room is nice. See you at the next rope drop. So hey everybody, I just got off of the Skyliner right there. That's the Skyliner. Here's Pop Century. Over to the right, behind me, part of animation, right? Okay, so right there is the Skyliner. And we're gonna come around this way. Sorry if it's a little wavy. There's the yo-yo ball or staircase. That's the yo-yo staircase. Right? We got a blue yo-yo on this side through the trees, right? Okay, so we've been walking for a little over a minute here, somewhat. Here's the Pop Century, the 60s side. And boom, here's our room, 4161. Can you dig it? Not even a minute and a half it takes to walk. So there's our room. No lies. No lies. And my luggage made it. Woo. Luggage made it.